How to use the Vanish Mode feature on Messenger. Vanish Mode may be a feature within the Messenger app that enables you to send temporary messages to anyone with whom you've got a full-of-life conversation. These messages only last until the recipient reads them, after which they disappear. In keeping with Business Insider, if you or a fan captures a screenshot of Vanish Mode chat, both users are alerted. How to use Vanish Mode in Messenger. To use Vanish Mode, you'll be able to install the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android device. 1. Open Messenger and open or start a conversation with someone. It must be a one-on-one conversation. Vanish Mode doesn't add group chats. 2. Swipe up from the underside of the screen. You ought to see a message telling you to swipe up to urge into Vanish Mode. Keep swiping your finger until the circle icon is totally filled. 3. Your current conversation will disappear and a blank Vanish Mode screen will replace it, and if this is often the primary time you activate the feature, you may also get a pop-up with some information about Vanish Mode. 4. Within the Vanish Mode screen, you'll be able to send messages or photos, sort of a normal conversation. And this may continue until the recipient sees your message, then closes the chat.